today's video is the sixth part of discount, commission and brokerage, but it is also only for brokerage topic. Understand? Now this is a simple question: who is broker and what do you mean by brokerage? Two questions. Understand? Broker, that means an agent is also known as a broker. एक जो एजेंट होता है उसी को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? ब्रोकर बोलते हैं. Understand? Now the second point, what is the brokerage? Brokerage क्या होता है? Understand? Any amount received by the broker. Understand? Any amount received by the broker which is complete a transaction between two persons. What do you mean by two persons? Say one is the seller and one is the buyer. Understand? Then it is also known as brokerage. Clear? बहुत ही सिंपल है कि एक एजेंट होता है जिसको हम लोग ब्रोकर बोलते हैं, और एजेंट क्या करता है? एक पर्टिकुलर ट्रांजैक्शन दो लोगों के बीच में कंप्लीट कराता है. ठीक है? उसके बदले में जो अमाउंट रिसीव करता है, एनी अमाउंट रिसीव बाय द ब्रोकर which is completed one transaction between two persons, then it is also known as a brokerage. Understand? Now the question is, now the first question, a broker settled a transaction between two persons for rupees 8,000, charge his commission at 2 by 5% from each. Find how much did the broker get. Understand? As per question, this is the question number 1. Amount of transaction. Amount of transaction. Amount of transaction. Amount of transaction are equals to rupees 8,000. And commission charge from both persons are equals to 2 by 5%. Understand? Suppose that C is the broker. C is the broker. Understand? And another two persons, A and B. The amount of transaction between two persons settled or completed. The transaction amount is rupees 8,000. Understand? A is the buyer, B is the seller. The broker are charged 2 by 5% commission from seller and again 2 by 5% commission from buyer. Then what is the total income of broker? This is the question. What is the total income of broker? Understand? This is the question. First of all, calculate the amount of commission from buyer. Okay? Amount of commission from buyer. Amount of commission is also depends upon sales. Say transaction value into rate of commission divided by 100. Understand? The sales, that means transaction value. Transaction value. And as per question, transaction value was there rupees 8,000. Understand? therefore 8000 into 2 by 5 into 100. Okay, now solve with calculator. 8000 into 2 divided by 500. Now 32 rupees. Okay, second point, how much amount received from seller? 2 by 5% commission. Therefore, amount of commission from sale, same as this, sales into rate of commission divided by 100. Now again, this amount of sales is also known as transaction value. 8000 into 2 by 500 are equals to 30. Okay, that means buyer से कितना रिसीव करेगा, सेलर से कितना रिसीव करेगा. दिस इज कॉल्ड इनकम ऑफ broker from buyer plus from seller. Understand? Now 32 plus 32 are equals to 64. Clear? It is a very simple question. Understand? Now next question. सुधीर परचेज अ हाउस फॉर रुपीज 7 लाख. सुधीर एक मकान 7 लाख रुपए में परचेज करता है. इन ऑल थ्रू अ ब्रोकर बाय गिविंग 3% ब्रोकरेज. अंडरस्टैंड? एंड इमीडिएटली वॉज सोल्ड बाय हिम एट ए प्रॉफिट ऑफ 3%. और उस मकान को क्या करता है? इमीडिएटली 3% प्रॉफिट पे वो बेच देता है. फाइन. फर्स्ट थिंग, the commission of broker. Understand? Second, the amount received by the house seller. Third point, amount gained by the Sudhir. Clear? It is again very simple question as per given data. सुधीर ने एक मकान 7 लाख रुपए में परचेस किया. ठीक, मगर आपको ध्यान देना है कि वो परचेस कर रहा है तो परचेस कॉस्ट उसका क्या है. ठीक है, 7 लाख. सिर्फ इतना पढ़ लेने से आपका कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर नहीं होता है. आपको पढ़ना पड़ेगा इन ऑल थ्रू अ ब्रोकर बाय गिविंग 3% ब्रोकरेज. दैट मीन्स द सुधीर हैड पेड द अमाउंट ऑफ हाउस, अंडरस्टैंड, प्लस अमाउंट ऑफ ब्रोकरेज आर इक्वल टू टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ बिल्डिंग पेड बाय द Sudhir. Understand? That means as per given data, this is the second question. Cost of house are equals to 7 lakh. ठीक, but what do you mean by the cost of house? Cost of house are equals to purchase cost of house plus amount of brokerage. Understand? And as per question, the rate of brokerage are there at the rate of 3%. Understand? And the amount of brokerage is also depend upon sales value. Sorry. Also depends upon sales value. Okay. Now the sales value is not there as per question. Simple. Assume the amount of sales value of house. Understand? Let the selling price of house be rupees X. Therefore, amount of brokerage are equals to sales into 3 by 100, therefore 3x upon 100. This is the amount of brokerage. Understand? Purchase cost of house for Sudhir. Understand? It is also x. भाई मैं अगर कोई सामान खरीदूंगा तो मेरे को कोई बेचेगा, ठीक है, तो बेचने वाले के लिए वो क्या होगा, सेलिंग प्राइस, बट फॉर मी इज कॉस्ट प्राइस और परचेज प्राइस. अंडरस्टैंड? देयरफॉर x is the cost price for Sudhir. Understand? And this is selling price for seller, and seller are not there. Therefore x plus 3x upon 100 are equals to cost, total cost of house is 7 lakh. Understand? Therefore as per question LCM are taken. 100, say 100x plus 3x are equals to 7 lakh. Now 103x upon 100 are equals to 7 lakh. Therefore x are equals to 7 lakh into 100 divided by 103. Okay. Now 7 lakh into 100 divided by 103. Now the result is becomes the value of purchase, the value of house 6,79,611.65 rupees. This is x. X that is purchase cost of the house. Understand? Okay. This is the first answer of the question. What is the second question? Amount of brokerage. Understand? Amount of brokerage, say 3x upon 100. That is 3% on purchase price of house of Sudhir. Amount of brokerage are equals to 3x upon 100. Therefore 6,79,611.65 into 3 by 100 are equals to into 3 divided by 100 are equals to rupees 20,388.35. Okay. Now the third, as per question, this house, that means this house is sold immediately at the rate of 3% profit. How much amount of profit gained by the Sudhir? तो Sudhir को कितना प्रॉफिट हुआ? Okay, it is very simple. Amount of profit are equals to sales into rate of profit. All are depends upon sales. Understand? Divided by 100. Now the 7 lakh into 3 by 100 are equals to rupees 21,000. Clear? It is very simple. Understand? चलिए next one. A broker income rupees 1,680 remains unchanged. आपको क्या बोल रहा है, ध्यान से सुनना है. A broker income rupees 1,680 remain unchanged through his brokerage is increased from 5% to 6.1/4%. मतलब आप पहले जो रेट यूज करते थे तब आपको कितना अमाउंट मिलता था, और अभी प्रेजेंट में आप जब कौन सा ब्रोकरेज का रेट यूज करते हैं तो आपको जो अमाउंट रिसीव होता है, अमाउंट ऑफ ब्रोकरेज, बोथ आर द इनकम आर अनचेंज, दैट मींस सेम. ओके. अब इससे क्या होगा, सिंपल सी थ्योरी है कि पहले आपने कम रेट चूज किया था. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप 10,000 का सामान बेचते हो और 10% ब्रोकरेज लेते हो. ठीक है, जस्ट लाइक एग्जाम्पल 10,000 और 10%, तो आपका कितना होता है, 1,000 रुपए. ठीक. अगर आप 10,000 का ही सामान बेचोगे और अगर 20% चार्ज करोगे तो 2,000 रुपए. दैट मीन्स अमाउंट ऑफ ब्रोकरेज जो है वो क्या हो जाएगा, इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. अब मगर इस क्वेश्चन में क्या बोल रहा है, द अमाउंट ऑफ ब्रोकरेज आर अनचेंज इफ द अमाउंट ऑफ द रेट ऑफ ब्रोकरेज विल बी चेंज। दैट मीन्स इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा, ये कब फ्लक्चुएट होता है, जब अमाउंट ऑफ सेल्स क्या होता है, आपका फ्लक्चुएशन होता है। अंडरस्टैंड। चलिए आइए क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करते हैं। एज पर गिवन डेटा now the amount of brokerage are there, amount of brokerage are equals to rupees 1680, the rate of brokerage are equals to first of all 5% and again rate of brokerage is 6.154%. And find the percentage decline in history. Clear? चलिए, first of all the amount of brokerage is depends upon amount of sales. Understand? Assume that let the sales be rupees X. Therefore, amount of brokerage are equals to sales into rate of brokerage divided by 100. This rate will be applied. Okay? 1680 are there. Amount of brokerage, that means rupees 1680, and the sales X into rate 5 divided by 100 by cross multiplication. First of all, to find out the value of X, that means amount of sales. Understand? X are equals to 1680 into 100 divided by 5 are equals to 1680 into 100 divided by 33 rupees 33,600। आप जब 5% ब्रोकरेज चार्ज करते थे तो आप कितने का सामान सोल्ड आउट करते थे, 33,600। देन यू हैव टेकन द अमाउंट ऑफ ब्रोकरेज इज रुपीज 1680। ओके, नाउ सेकंड कंडीशन, if the rate of brokerage are charged at the rate of 1/4%, say again amount of brokerage are equals to sales is also X। आप कितने का सामान बेचते हो, X रुपए का सामान बेचते हो, इसे also assume that, understand, the rate of brokerage is 6.25 divided by 100। Clear? And the amount of brokerage is also equal for rupees 1680 for the change of rate of brokerage. Understand? Therefore 1680 are equals to 6.25x upon 100. Now x are equals to 1680 into 100 divided by 6.25. Understand? 1680 into 100 divided by 6.25. Now the result is becomes rupees 26,880. What is the meaning of 26,880? This is the next year sales. Okay, this is the next year sales. If the charge rate of brokerage is 6.1/4%, then the broker has received the amount of rupees 1680. अंडरस्टैंड, एकदम क्लियर होगा। अगर आपका सेल्स ज्यादा होता है, ठीक है, अगर आपका सेल्स ज्यादा होता है तो आपका रेट कम रहता है। अगर आपका सेल्स कम होता है, दैट मीन्स द रेट ऑफ ब्रोकरेज आर ऑल्सो इंक्रीज्ड। ठीक है, अब आपको ये कंपैरिजन करना है एज पर क्वेश्चन, फाइंड द परसेंटेज डिक्लाइन इन हिज ट्रेड। कितना परसेंट आपका ट्रेड जो है डिक्लाइन हो गया है, मतलब क्या हो गया, रिड्यूस हो गया है, डिक्रीज हो गया है। हाउ मच अमाउंट विल बी डिक्रीज, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कैलकुलेट हाउ मच अमाउंट विल बी डिक्रीज। अंडरस्टैंड, कितना अमाउंट आपका डिक्रीज हो गया है और रिड्यूस हो गया है। अमाउंट ऑफ सेल्स reduced are equals to 33,600 minus 2680. First of all, find the value. 33,600 minus 26,880 are equals to 6720. This is the figure. Next step, to find out the percentage of decline. To find out the percentage of decline or reduce. Reduced amount of sales divided by amount of sales into 100. Therefore, how much amount will be reduced? 6720. Comparison to the amount of 33,600 into 100. And to find out the value, as per table, 6720 divided by 33,600 into 100 से 20%. Okay, clear? And the next question of this topic, say that means related to brokerage. A broker of cloth market charge brokerage at the rate of 3/4% from buyer and 5/8% from seller. If he had received the total brokerage amounting to rupees 962.50 in a certain transaction from both parties. Clear? एक्चुअली जब हमने टॉपिक स्टार्ट किया तभी मैंने आपको बताया कि ये जो ब्रोकरेज होता है वो होता क्या है। तो हमने डिस्कशन किया कि एक जो पर्सन होता है वो क्या करता है, अनदर 2 पर्सन के बीच में एक ट्रांजैक्शन को क्या करता है, कंप्लीट करता है या सेटल करता है और उसके बदले में वो पैसा रिसीव करता है। इन दिस क्वेश्चन द अमाउंट ऑफ ट्रांजैक्शन आर नॉट देयर बट अमाउंट ऑफ इनकम ऑफ ब्रोकरेज amount broker are also there, say 962.50. ठीक है, what do you mean by this question? First of all, as per given data. Okay, as per given data, the rate of brokerage from buyer are equals to 3/4%. Rate of brokerage from seller 5/8%. And total brokerage received by broker are equals to 962.50. Understand? Now how much amount will be defined? First, transaction value, that means sales. Second, purchase price of goods from buyer, right? Now the third point, sales price of goods from seller. क्लियर? अब देखिए हम लोग ये क्वेश्चंस जितने भी सॉल्व करते हैं तो मैं आपको बार बार क्या बोलता हूं, आप उस क्वेश्चन के अंदर जाइए। दैट मीन्स सपोज दैट यू हैव अ ब्रोकर, अगर आप ब्रोकर बनिए और सोचिए कि आपने क्या ट्रांजैक्शन किया है। क्या इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन हमने सॉल्व किया है? अगर आप देखेंगे तो बोलेंगे नहीं, बट यस इट इज ऑल्सो सॉल्व दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन। अंडरस्टैंड? सपोज दैट C is the broker, C is the broker and two another persons, that means A is the buyer, understand, and B is the seller. The transaction completed by the broker, this is not given. Okay? It is not given. That means this is the find out the value. First amount of transaction. Amount of transaction ये आपको फाइंड करना है, ठीक। बट द ब्रोकर हैज चार्ज कमीशन फ्रॉम बायर, दिस इज ऑल्सो गिवन इन योर क्वेश्चन, 3/4%, 3/4% on transaction value. Understand? On transaction value. Now which rate of brokerage from seller is there? 5/8% on transaction. And the total amount of brokerage are there. Total amount of brokerage are there. That means, what is the concept of this sentence? Total amount of brokerage received by the broker. Total amount of brokerage are equals to brokerage from buyer plus brokerage from seller. बायर से कितना रिसीव किया और सेलर से कितना रिसीव किया। अंडरस्टैंड? देयर इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ ब्रोकरेज। इट इज ऑल्सो देयर ₹962.50. Okay, amount of brokerage from buyer, amount of brokerage from seller, and both are the brokerage is depends upon selling, sales or transaction value, and this is not given. Now first of all let the amount of transaction value, understand, let the amount of transaction value is rupees X. Okay, now brokerage from buyer are equals to X into 3/400. It is very simple, same as it is brokerage from seller are equals to transaction value X into 5/800. All the data are there. This one, this one, this one, it is also there. Okay, therefore 3x/400 plus 5x/800. Now first of all, to find out the LCM, 800, clear? 6x plus 5x are equals to 962.50. Say 11x upon 800. 11x upon 800 are equals to 962.50. Therefore x are equals to 962.50 into 100 divided by 11. Clear? 962.5 into 100 divided by 11. Now the result is becomes 8750. What is the amount of 8750? What is the amount of 8750? It is correct or it is wrong? this is 962 point, this one 3x by 400, because the total transaction value is x, 5x upon 800, sorry, it is wrong, this is upon 800, sorry, this is 800, therefore 962.5 into 800 divided by 11, say 70,000. क्लियर? देखिए, बनाते समय आपका ध्यान क्वेश्चन पे होना चाहिए और अपने वैल्यूएशन पे होना चाहिए। देखिए, बनाते बनाते मुझसे भी गलतियां होती हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं होती। देखिए, आपने गलती से मैंने 100 लिख दिया, बट आर देयर 800, तो आप चेक करेंगे तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा। दैट इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ ट्रांजैक्शन वैल्यू, दैट मींस दिस इज 70,000। क्लियर? अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप, टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ सेलर एंड टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ बायर। क्लियर? अब सिंपल सा सामान है कि अगर कोई सेलर है, एकदम ध्यान से देखिए, अगर कोई सेलर है वो 70,000 के गुड्स थ्रू ब्रोकर सोल्ड आउट करना चाहता है और ब्रोकर ने बोला कि मैं 5/8% ट्रांजैक्शन वैल्यू पे चार्ज करूंगा, तो सेलर एग्री। तो सेलर को हाउ मच अमाउंट इज रिसीव्ड बाय द सेलर? टोटल 70,000 में ब्रोकरेज बोलेगा कि आप रख लो अपना, ब्रोकरेज आप अपना रख लो और बचा हुआ पैसा आप मुझे दे दो ना। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ ब्रोकरेज फ्रॉम सेलर, ठीक है, therefore 70,000 into 5/800. Now the result 70,000 into 5 divided by 800. Now 437.50. 430 सेलर क्या बोलेगा ब्रोकर को? You subtract the amount of own brokerage 437.50 from 70,000 and rest and remaining part आप मुझे दे दो। ओके, therefore minus 437.50. This is the amount of brokerage. Now the received value minus 70,000. This is 69,562.50. Understand? Okay. Same as it is for buyer. Buyer first of all have paid the amount of transaction value. Transaction value was there 70,000. Understand? That means first of all buyer had paid 70,000 for transaction value plus brokerage of broker. Brokerage of broker. How much amount? This is also given. Brokerage from buyer. Buyer कितना पे करेगा? 70,000 into 3/400. 70,000 into 3/400. Now the result is becomes 525. Understand? This is the value of brokerage. Say 525. And the total amount paid by the buyer 70,525. Yes, clear? Now today video is end for this topic. मैं आप लोगों को फिर से याद दिला रहा हूं कि आप लोग सब्सक्रिप्शन बॉक्स में जाइए और ये जितने क्वेश्चंस हमने सॉल्व किए हैं आपके साथ, ऑल आर द क्वेश्चंस are given in subscription box. Okay, the link are there, that means the questions link are there. How much questions are solved of आज के वीडियो में जितने क्वेश्चंस हमने सॉल्व किए हैं सारे आपके सब्सक्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको लिंक में मिल जाएंगे। और मेरे ख्याल से आई होप आप लोगों को ये टॉपिक क्लियर हुआ होगा। इफ एनी डाउट प्लीज आपको अगर किसी भी प्रकार का डाउट होता है तो आप क्या करेंगे, आप मुझे चैट बॉक्स में मैसेज डालिए, एटलीस्ट मिनिमम 4 to 5 questions. Understand? Then I have prepared a new video for you. Okay, thank you very much.